Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. Ahmed, is it?
Yes. Do you agree to share this session, please, before we start this session?
Could I what? Sorry?
Do you agree to share this lesson?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to you. Nice to meet you. Are you tutor or just native speaker?
I'm a tutor as well.
Oh, great. That's I'm lucky today.
Nice. Very
Okay.
nice. So, Ahmed, where
Uh,
are you from?
uh, can you guess?
Oh, I don't like to guess.
You should.
I would say
You should.
possibly Iraq.
I'm from Middle East. Yes, that's right. You read it on my profile. You are really
Yes,
smart.
yes, I could see it. So I cheated a little bit.
Mm, thank
Hmm.
you.
Nice.
Let me ask you about the present continuous.
Yes.
Okay. Present continuous, we use it to talk about something happening right now. And we form the present continuous. Continuous or continuous?
Continuous.
Continuous?
Continuous.
Continuous.
Hmm.
Yes. Present continuous. We format is for I and is for he, she, it, and are for you, we, they, and
Yes. Yep.
we make the uh, this tense negative to put the note in after the auxiliary verb, like verb to be, like
Mhm.
after is, after are, to make the negative for the sentences, right?
Exactly. So I am not asking,
Yes,
you
for
are not.
example, I'm
Yeah.
not ask you, I'm not teacher, he is not engineer, she is not a pilot, and it is not
Yeah, so because
mine.
this is a present continuous tense that we are talking about, you would need the verb.
Yes,
So it would go, I am not
yes,
singing.
yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. So you need the
but
verb. Yeah.
let me ask you about why we don't, why should we delete the letter E with some words in the present continuous and added the ing. For example, come. That we should delete the letter E because it's vowel. We cannot put two vowels together in one word, right?
Yes, typically we don't. Yes. So it just kind of
Mm.
depends on the verb. But typically if a verb
Okay.
was to end, if a verb end or sorry, yeah, if a verb in the base form ends in E, we would remove that E and add ing for the present continuous. It's just kind
Uh,
of for kind of ease of speakability in a lot of ways. So like
mm.
coming, even though it's like come, the E is typically silent anyway. The
Sorry to interrupt you. Could you delete this screen, please, to
yeah,
maximize the
sorry, yeah,
picture?
perfect.
Okay, okay. Oh, all right.
Mhm.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, so it's just for kind of ease of speaking and ease of pronunciation that we
Pronunciation.
would delete it. Yeah, so it's
Okay.
typically with an ing. We typically wouldn't have an e before it. We wouldn't have a vowel before it, unless it's
Mhm.
a case like going or so, unless it's irregular.
Okay, and some words that's to end it with the consonants and before one vowel. Should repeat the or add the. How do you spell this? How do you call this word that's mean to add the letter extra letter? For example, sit. We need to add the letter T for this words. This be what do we call?
I'm actually not sure of the word off the top of my head for what we call it. But again, the reasoning for it is for pronounceability. And kind of I can't think of the word off the top of my head. 1 second, I'll try and find it on my notes.
Okay. That's me to write the letters and put the ing settings, right? Sitting.
Yeah, so it would be like sitting. Yeah, sit or sitting. Yeah.
And all that's mean it's ruled for the present continuous. If the word ending with one consonant and before the consonant one vowel should write the two letters for this consonants.
So the rule with this is just that it's let me try and think of more examples. So sitting. No, it's with all of the if it ends so if it ends in a single S or a single T, then you would double that just so you're able to pronounce it. A single S
Double. Yes, yes.
or a single T, then you would double
I
it.
remember that. That's been words with the ending with the vowel consonants and before vowel should make the double letter.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I remember.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So,
Okay.
like, I think typically it's kind of the T's and S's that would kind of be most common, if that makes sense. That those would be the most common ones for verbs to end in a T or in an S. Those are kind of be the easiest way of doing it.
The letter with this word, lay.
Sorry, lay.
Lay.
Oh, lie. Yes.
Lie.
So lie is a bit of an irregular one because lie becomes lying.
Okay, lying.
Yes.
That's mean to change the L I-E to I.
I-E to a Y. Yes. So that is just an irregular
Why?
irregular
Why?
one. It's for pronounceability,
Oh,
for the pronunciation of it. So if we were to
that's
say
so this word to ending with the two vowels.
yes, ending in the two vowels. Yes, it's typically only the IE. Like IE would typically only be kind of the two ending vowels that we would see kind of most commonly.
But I heard in these days, so most some countries or some teachers in countries to depends the Y letter Y, it's vowel or no?
Well, no, in British English and in American English, Y would be seen as a consonant.
British English depends the Y consonants. The British and
So
USA?
Y is a consonant. Our vowels would be A, E, I, O, U.
Yes, 5 letters.
Yes, 5 vowels. Yeah.
Is there a regular form for present continuous or no?
A regular form for present continuous.
Yes.
Yes, it would be like it's. So it would be made up of the is a combining form of the auxiliary verb, which would be to be. So I am, you are.
Do you know?
Is.
Let me explain that idea. What I think about. There's a regular form for present simple. That's mean to take auxiliary verb. For example, you are a teacher. That's mean this sentence it's present simple. A present simple doesn't take auxiliary verb, but this is a regular form. Is there a regular form for the present continuous or no?
Yeah, so the regular form would be the auxiliary verb to be with the present participle of the ing form of another verb. So I am swimming. You are asking. He is looking. So it's the combining form of the auxiliary verb with the present participle, which is the ing form of another verb. And what that does is it's to refer to a temporary action that is currently taking place.
I remember that. Can we use the stative verbs with the present continuous?
Sorry, say that again.
Stative verbs.
Stated verbs.
Yes. Can
Yes,
we use it with the present continuous?
No, it would just be the auxiliary and the
sentence.
Like
You
you
know
could
that?
use those verbs, like you could use them, but they would have to be in the present participle. So like instead of saying like I am feel, you say I am feeling. You wouldn't say I am see, I am seeing.
So that's mean.
So
So
you
some
use those
tutors,
states in
that mean to say that we cannot use the stated verb with the present continuous because this is verbs or feelings. We cannot
yes.
with this feelings verbs with ing.
Yes, like we can say like I am feeling sad, I am feeling happy. We can use them in the verb sense, but not in the
Okay,
stative
sorry.
sense.
Your
So you can't see like
your name is Lynn.
Leanne.
Leon.
Nice, but
Could you?
we're just out of time for
Thank
today,
you.
Ahmed. So
Thank you.
have a
Can
great
you
evening, and hopefully
type
I'll see you
your level in the bottom